Fine Naturals. Try this and your strands are gonna love you, honestly. So this, of course, is the Negus Banda Ayurvedic Essence Thickness and Growth. It smells pretty nice and I'm really excited to use it. So this is actually a pre-poo treatment that I'm going to apply to my strands. As you can see, my hair is pretty dry. There is no curl pattern. It truly is time to do a proper wash day. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab some clips because I do like to work in sections just to make sure that I'm not unnecessarily tangling my hair. So let's just hop into this. As you can see, I'm just clipping each side up, being as gentle as possible. Girlfriend, at any point, you can absolutely incur unnecessary breakage, and we just don't need all of that today. Let me know in the comment section down below if you've ever experienced breakage while you were literally just parting your hair, handling your hair, the breeze was blowing on your hair. If that's you, let me know, because girlfriend, the struggle is real. So I am getting it nice and soaked. I like to soak my hair with water just to make sure, especially when it's in a super dry state like this, just to make sure that it's going to really soak in that moisture. Now I'm applying it to my strands, and already this pre-poo is going in my strands like butter. I love the consistency. The consistency is very creamy in nature. It reminds me of like a super hydrating lotion, except you're putting it on your hair. Also, you know, in terms of that scent, as I was applying this to my strands, it really did have like a very clean Ayurvedic-y type scent, if that makes sense. It smelled earthy, but like in the best of ways. So that was really awesome. So as I'm applying this pre-poo to my strands, I'm feeling like I'm able to even almost detangle with it. You know, it was a really interesting application process, and I really appreciated that because as I was telling you in the last live, and for those of you who don't know, let me put you on so that now you know, but I actually come live right here on YouTube every single Friday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Anywho, at the last live, we were talking about how all your products should have slip. And so this particular product right here, this pre-poo from Negus Banda, it is chef's kiss. It honestly has that slip. I felt like as I was twisting on up the hair, it was really going in very nicely, and I didn't have to fight with the pre-poo. You know, I didn't have to force it to melt into my strands. I didn't have to force it to detangle my strands. And girlfriend, as you can see, my strands are pretty naughty. Like, they were not doing very good things prior to putting in this pre-poo treatment. So as you can see, there's some knots right there. I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure that I'm applying as much product to those knots as possible, because wherever the knots are, to me, that tells me that that area of my head was very dry and it really did need the product. Girlfriend, if you're liking this tutorial, if you're liking this review of the Negus Banda Ayurvedic Essence Thickness and Growth, if you're looking for something that's really gonna make your strands pop, take it to the next level, go ahead and smash that like button so that we can continue to make content just like this for you and the rest of the Girlfriend crew. Now we're just working the product into the back of my hair. I'm making sure to really get as many strands as possible. Looks like I missed a little piece of the bat there, but you know, it is what it is. So we're just gonna keep on going. Already at this point, I'm noticing that my strands are, you know, really falling into their natural curl pattern. I'm seeing that there's a lot of movement on the hair. I'm noticing that things aren't as stiff and crispy as they are even on the other side of my head. It's just looking really, really good. And so to me, these are all, you know, indicators that this product is really agreeing with my strands. Now, for the record, girlfriend, this is actually the very first time I've used anything from Negus Banda, and I haven't ever used the Ayurvedic Essence treatment either. So I'm really excited about how this is performing on my strands so far. You know, right now, as I'm applying this, I'm like asking myself, like, why didn't I try this sooner? Girlfriend, if you've got fine natural hair, or even if you have fragile natural hair, Fine Natural Hair Rocks is where you want to be. I do post new videos every single week. If you're interested in seeing new videos about your fine natural hair, you know, making it thicker and longer, and just the hair of your dreams, go ahead and hit up that subscribe button, and also hit up the notification button as well too, so that you never ever miss another video. So look at that movement. Even without the product, I feel like my hair has really enjoyed a lot of healthiness. Girlfriend, using a pre-poo treatment is something that I use on my hair every single full wash day. And I'm very specific about indicating full wash day because there are partial wash days when all I do is a co-wash. But for this particular wash day, I'm really enjoying how my strands are looking healthier, and it's really responding quite well to the regimen that I've been putting on my strands thus far. So we're gonna go ahead and apply some more product. As you can see, this is how much I've lost so far doing half the head. It always burns my heart. Girlfriend, let me know in the comment section down below if you're like this too. It literally hurts to see hair loss. I am on a length retention journey right now. You let me know in the comment section down below if you're also on a length retention journey, what your natural hair journey is like, and what you're looking for, because girlfriend, we're all in this together. So, you know, I'm making sure to apply that product, going in, again, just splitting up the hair. I like to split my hair into sections once it has a little bit of product on it, because again, I'm always trying to avoid unnecessary breakage, particularly on the ends, because it's the ends that are the oldest on your scalp, and you really want to protect those fragile end pieces of your natural hair. Now, interestingly, girlfriend, I had a conversation with someone earlier this week, and they were kind of like, you know, it seems like your hair is really fragile, and it seems like everything can break it off. How do you even deal? And you know what? I thought it was a really interesting question, because before that recognition that, you know, I had fine strands and that fine strands deserve a different type of, you know, treatment and process, I was really handling my hair as if, you know, it could deal and handle anything. And so were stylists. So, girlfriend, I don't know about your experiences, but the minute I changed my hair care regimen to one that honored the fact that my strands are fine, that honored the fact that, you know, the hair is gonna break off if you treat it in very rough, manipulative ways, things really did start to move in the right direction for me. And I can tell you, I'm very happy with the health and what it's looking like right now. So I'm going through curl by curl. What I'm really liking about this product is the fact that it's really defining those curls. I'm not a wash and go type of natural, but if I was, this is exactly what I would want my product to do. I would want it to allow my curls to really slide past each other. I'd want it to define the curls, give it some bounce, some movement, you know, a little bit of personality, that kind of a thing. So, girlfriend, I'm all about the ingredients. This particular product right here has, as the first 5 ingredients, it's got water, distilled water at that, aloe vera juice, raw honey, vegetable glycerin, and benzalkonium chloride. So those are really good ingredients. I like to see water as the main ingredient. I also love to see aloe vera juice, honey, you know, glycerin. These are really decent ingredients that are gonna nourish your strands. So as you can see, those ingredients are really agreeing quite well with my strands. I find it's very important to know what's in your products, because if you know what's in your products, girlfriend, you're gonna know exactly that there's a pattern with what types of products work well for you and what types of products don't necessarily work that well. Girlfriend, I never want to lose connections with you. So if you're interested in staying connected to Fine Natural Hair Rocks and you want, you know, new videos, new content delivered directly to your inbox, go ahead and hit up the link at the top and you can join our Girlfriend Crew newsletter, which is absolutely free. Don't worry, girlfriend, I do not spam inboxes because that's annoying for you and me. And so, you know, it's really just a way, just in case anything bad happens here on YouTube, that we still remain connected. So I'm done with the application here, girlfriend, and I'm really liking how it's looking. I'm also liking that new length. Hello, inches. Girlfriend, honestly, if you apply a good pre-poo to your strands before a full wash day, and by that I mean shampoo, deep conditioner, you know, you're going in with your leave-in, you're doing a style, you will really start to see this type of health. You'll start to see the bounce, the movement. You know, if you have that blunt cut, your ends should start to look a little bit thicker than they would if you had a layered cut. You know, these are the things you can do to make your fine natural hair look a lot more plumper and thicker than it actually is. Girlfriend, if you're still here and you haven't liked that button yet, I don't know what you're waiting for, my girl. Go ahead and smash the like button. And also let me know, have you used the Negus Banda product before? And if you have used it, what did you like about it? Or what are you using instead? Girlfriend, also I connect with the Girlfriend Crew in our community posts every single day. There's fun polls, there's, you know, fill in the blanks, there's all kinds of fun things up in there. So go ahead and check it out. Also, this product says that we've got to leave it on our hair for 30 to 45 minutes with a plastic cap. That's exactly what I'm gonna do, and that's pretty much it. Girlfriend, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.